Well, it's been a while, and I can finally drive this thing now. So we're gonna take it out later. Oh no! Oh no! Shout out to, oh my god! I had 3M on these, but oh shoot! I had 3M on these, but it came off, so I gotta put it on again. How did I even have them? I don't remember how I had these. Maybe like that. I don't know. Shout out. I love you always. Look at how dusty this hoe is. I need to paint this thing already. Look at my little Splendid sticker, even fucking is orange now. Little Deutschworks. Probably take them all off. It's dusty as hell. It's that right there though, bro. That shit got me sad as fuck. So yeah, my tags just came in. So you know what time it is. It's cooling down now out here in AZ, but it's still a little hot. So I mean, I probably won't drive this till like the nighttime or early morning. But I do want to get the fluids going through it. It's been a month since I turned this shit on. Don't let it sit. Cold start. Hopefully it starts first time. It should. Never really gave me problems like that. I got my tags though. You know, like I said, I wasn't driving it because I didn't have tags or insurance. Now I do. Allstate. I'm in good hands. Oh, baby. Oh, hell no. Man, I gotta fix that shit too. Shit. Demmzys later, see what's up, probably pull up to his crib. I gotta get him gas anyway, and he finds engines that way. At least we got one right here closer to Phoenix. But the cost we got is off the road, I'm ready for some LM, off the 67. So I'll be back to try a little bit. You know, where's the hooks, the wheels, which are all gonna shine them up a little bit. Put the side skirts on, fit them better, and just leave it like that for now, I guess. So yeah. Idle sounds good. That's not either. That's my throwout bearing. I still need to rebuild the trans or get a new one. Motherfuckers is long. I'm gonna look for that shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? I got other stuff to fix. Not on the car, thankfully. The car is great, man. I love this car. But yeah, I'll put the side skirts on. And like I said, we got it down to idle now. It sounds And the gas gauge, yeah, and the gas gauge still don't work. I changed the fuel sending unit. I don't know what happened. I don't know. Maybe it's the other side. It's been a minute since I had this thing washed. Side skirts on. Just put them on though. Probably go. I gotta fix that fucking gap right. But this ain't even my bumper, so when I get my bumper, I'm gonna make it like the fitment better. But I'm about to go to Demmzys right now. Check out his new 240. And he got a lift in his crib, so maybe I could fucking pull the trans off this bitch. But I'll see you guys in a bit. I might have to get air in the tires. I'm not sure though. This shit look a little low, but the other one looks like that too. Nah, Nick, you're being in the video too, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna do a build review on the Q. We out here. You can't even see Nick's car though. He did it like that on purpose. With some side skirts on? Sheesh. Bro, this shit looks hard. What's up? Y'all ain't fucking ready, boy. Way.
You have the gauge on you?
Oh shit, where'd I... I'm trying... Wait, what the fuck? It's right here. Chinga su madre. What happened? Gotta put the heater in. I don't know what that noise is. Is Nick not knowing how to drive? Not good. There you go, right there. Do a little pull, Nick. Can't really see it, but brighten this bitch up. Hey, that welded dip though.
Strapped up in a function. Man, sorry, man, look count up this money. I cannot lie, strapped up in the function. My favorite subject, math, look count up this money. Big wood with the white ass, guess I smoke was lovely. And she got a lot of ass, she gon' let me touch it. All I do is sell drugs, I'm a D-boy. I'll be on your blog, posted with that me more. Bitch, pussy so bomb, I just call her C4. My son, my shit, my pants.